Hello YouTube world, I'm Robbie, this is Stephanie, and today we're going to make mead in 5 minutes. What's our flavor today?
Caramel.
Alright, let's get to brewing.
Alright, what are we doing first?
What? The caramels. And
No, we need to
this.
steep it. Yeah, go ahead and steep it.
Yeah, you get that, I'll start on this. I'm gonna wait to put the bananas and raisins right before I put
The reason I don't pour anything is because I'm highly clumsy.
Well, you wear the
Shit.
funnel. It's still, you're still controlling the flow of it, ultimately.
Yeah, but I don't have to pour anything.
Cut half a banana. Just like in our meat.
Just like so.
Uh-oh. Ew. It's almost like an acrobatic trick, right?
Yeah. Oh no, the teddy bear!
You know. Yeah, now we're talking. Yeah. They have some, but
And now we make caramel mead.
oh yeah. Now if you notice, there's a little bit of clarity difference in between these two. They did come out of the same bottle, but the caramel does not like to clarify like some of the other meads that we've done. This is after being in the fridge, and you can still see that layer of all that caramel stuff, and this is after passing through the cheesecloth as well.
Don't turn away from it if it still has the sediment down at the bottom. It's going to be completely normal, especially with homebrew stuff.
Well, especially with this caramel
Yes,
as well.
the caramel is just, I think it's because it's such a heavy flavor and a heavy candy.
Well, let's have a taste. See, this one's a very nice, well-rounded, soft caramel flavor. But it's got a little bit, I wouldn't say dry, but slightly dry ending. I think it's just the alcohol content. Because the sweetness is definitely there.
It honestly, the flavor of it reminds me of just a really pretty fall afternoon. This is definitely a fall mead.
That's a nice picture.
I'm really liking it. It's kind of like all the smells and everything else that you get around it. It's just very pleasant. It's not overpowering. It's not in your face.
Yeah, and it's almost got like a cooked honey flavor, like almost like a cooked dessert.
Very well proportioned. I am sorry, I cannot talk.
Very good.